Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the region on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe you're having an issue with the store, or maybe your credit card or something like that when you're trying to enter it in. You could try changing the region. Let's go to System Settings, scroll on down, and we want to go all the way down to System. Go to the right, and scroll on down. Here we have language, so if we want to change our language we have that option. But then we have region. So we have couple different regions under here. We have Japan, the Americas, Europe, Australia / New Zealand, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and South Korea. Does not look like China is an option in here, but you can go to Hong Kong, Taiwan, or South Korea. Then you could try deleting your credit card, re-entering in, and see if that works now with that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos when coming up next on YourSixTech.